Hello guys, welcome. So let's move into our next question. So what they given in the question? So how many kg of salt at 42 pies per kg must a man mix with 25 kg of salt at 24 pies per kg, so that he may on selling the mixture at 40 pies per kg gains 25% of the output. That means finally he may get the gain of 25%. So let's look into the solution. So nothing else as it is. So by seeing is that we can they given the two quantities, right? 42 and 24. So 1 is nothing but 42 pies. Similar the 22 is nothing but 24 pies. So but the expecting result is not given in the question guys, right? That means how much. So they given that they mentioned so that he may on selling the mixture at 40 pies per kg gains 25% on the outlay. That means they given the indirect data, so which helps us to find our mean. That means our average mean beyond the expectation data. From this, that means he said that on selling the mixture at 45 pies per kg, he have to gain the 25% on the outlay. Finally, that means we have to calculate the original cost price in order to. So when he sells at 40 pies, he gains 25%, right? So for him, how much it should be the cost price? For the owner, he sells the customer at 45. So for owner, how much it should be the cost price, so that he gains the 25% on the outlay when he sells for 45. Right? So let's calculate it there. So how can we calculate? So on selling the mixed at 40 pies per kg gains 25% on the outlay they given mix. That means your cost price is nothing but guys. So 40 into is selling at 40 divided by into. So as the 100. So this is the total initial value. 100 means when we are calculating this. So initial our gain or this month what we discussed, the 100 should be the maximum, right? Initially we take the assume as the cost versus 100. So 100 when you are dividing with comparing with the gain, that means the initial should be 100. So when dividing with the gains of 25%, that means so that the maximum, that is maximum of what it be 100. The maximum gain on profit or loss should be 100, right? So by that only we are calculating the all business profits or discounts whatever we get. So gains 25%. That means the maximum is 100. So gains or losses means from that 100 only, loss means it will decrease. From gain means 100 we have to add, right? While doing the problem. So 100 plus 25 is nothing but 125, right? So 40 into 100 by 25. So what I will get this? So calculate this. So you will get the answer as 32 pies. You will get this. You will get 32 pies. So nothing else. How can we do? By 8 I can say. Right? So we have to 32 pies. So that's it. So cost price is so 32 pies. That means for him 32 pies will be the cost price of that mixture. So when he sell the 40 pies, he will get the 25%. That is the actual mean. So our mean that is should be, this is the mean, that's 32%. So our mean I can say that is 32%. So now it is we can able to proceed this, right? So how can we do by applying the equation to this? We will make Q2 equals, so 32 minus 24 divided by 42 minus 32. So what I will get this? So 32 minus 24 8. So divided by 42 minus 32 10. So what I will get this 4 by 3. So this is the ratio. So what they are asking, how many kg of salt at 40% must be mixed with this 25 kg of salt. That means how much extra we have to sell. So as we seen like earlier problems, so our required result is nothing but 4 by 5 into. So our total quantity, the cost price is what we got. So not cost price. So 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into what we have to multiply with not to. So this is the quantity, that is 4 by 5 into. So they given 42 and 24 pies at 25 kgs. They have to mix with 25 kgs. So why 25 kgs we have to multiply with? That means what is it? So we have to multiply with this the total amount of quantity. Maybe liters or depending on the terms on the unit they given mentioned. So what they mentioned, how many kgs of salt that must be added to the and mix with 25 kgs of salt at 24 pies. So keep the parts of price separately. So in order to mix with 25 kgs, so I have to multiply with 25. That is total quantity. So what I will get is so 20. So 20 kgs of salt we have to mix with this 25 kgs in order to get this problem. So our answer is 20 kgs. So roughly, hope you got it, guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Surely Teja signing off. Have a nice day. Bye.